Use macros to track traffic sources. By controlling the variables, you'll be able to identify winner traffic sources and kill things that are not converting. You can see all available macros in a campaign setup. I'll dig deeper into campaign settings, including how to use macros in Module 4. Use conversion tracking to track conversions. You can use image, pixel, and a postback request. Run campaigns to collect data. Track the ROI and analyze the data that you get in the reporting. If everything is set up properly, you will not have to spend much time to take the decisions. Stop losers, non-performing campaigns, and ramp up winners. In the end of the day, the traffic game is about cutting away what's not working and pumping the budgets to get as much traffic from what's working. This is about it, and don't forget to read our blog post about the actionable checklist for how to set up and scale your web push campaigns.